Get these people now. Wasting my time. My baby girl.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, welcome. Okay, we can. Babe, what? Egusi and pando. Okay, just arrange the egusi.
Yeah, there is no pando. It's fufu that is available, sir.
Bring fufu. You eat fufu. Bring fufu. You.
Okay, sir.
Please be fast, though. Thank God, I'm fine. Don't worry here. This place is very, very.
This is very good.
Exactly, I'm telling you. And they are very fast.
Hey.
Thank you.
So, babe, enjoy your food, eh?
You don't want to take anything?
No, I'm okay.
Alright. It feels
I
good.
just personally brought you here to enjoy yourself.
Yeah, thank
Yeah, hello. I will meet you later. Don't worry. Yeah, after I'll be coming. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay.
Let me call you back. Hey,
What's going on here?
What is this now?
What happened?
What is this nonsense? No pepper, too much Maggi. There's test it now. What is this? Hey! Yeah, careful.
Are you serious?
Test it. You said they are the best, but like.
Waiter!
Sir.
What nonsense? No, you just test this food.
No, sir. We don't test customers' food.
You don't
Don't
test
test
what?
us. How do
Yes.
you now know that what I'm talking about?
Sister, please, I'm sorry. I will call my superior, my second.
Please call him. Call
so that he will
him.
come.
Be fast about that.
Hey,
You people
What
must be
nonsense is
stupid.
this now? Huh? Don't do this.
Hey,
They just are there testing.
What is the problem?
they are complaining that there is too much pepper, too much Maggi in this food.
Too much pepper?
Yes.
I personally cook this
Okay,
thing
okay.
now.
Are you cook am? Oh, yeah, test.
Test it.
Okay, don't worry. Wash your hands.
Hey,
Don't worry.
our food are the best.
Which kind best?
We cook the best here.
I
I'm
brought
telling
my girl first time bringing
I
her
pass-
here. You are doing
you. Okay, they have already opened that one.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Hey,
Wait, let me wash my
chai.
What
How?
name this thing?
Brother, please,
worry.
please test it first. Let's.
I'm doing that. I'm doing that.
We said you people should test.
That's what I'm saying. We are testing.
Is this how people do here?
Let's test this round.
That's what I'm saying. Will you test the other side?
What nonsense? I don't understand. What is going on here?
Brother, calm down. We're trying to
Mama,
test the
we're
food. We're trying to know
You are
which
trying
side.
to test it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Wait.
So you brought me here to insult me, right?
Babe, just relax. Please, just calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down.
Yes, take it easy. Take it
Test meat. Test meat. Maybe it's from the meat. How is it?
inside this side. Have you checked this side? Hi. It's good.
The food is okay.
Very normal.
When you wash your hand there,
Yes, sir.
you collect money from them.
Hi. I don't
I'm in the
understand.
kitchen. Let me go and there is
Okay,
somebody that.
attend to other people's
Yes.
order.
Let me go and do it now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Cash or transfer?
Jesus, Usabio.